What is Nvidia stock? Is that 156% year to date? Holy squirrel balls. What kind of returns are we looking at with Nvidia stock? We'll answer all those questions and more for you in this video. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your high-flying, electrifying, star-studded, warm-blooded, savvy stock squirrel. I'm coming to you live with another episode of The Nut House, where we talk about stock, investments, saving, retirement, and everything in between. On this wealth-building journey, come along for the ride and hold on to your nuts, you filthy animals. What's up, Squirrel Squad? So let's get right to it. What in the blue hell happened to Nvidia this year? 156% year to date? If I were to tell you that Nvidia stock alone was responsible for 40% of all the gains in the Nasdaq this year, would you believe me? Or would you be like, Squirrel, you're full of shit? Well, this squirrel's full of Polska kielbasa sausage and potatoes that I ate last night. And fat as hell, by the way. But the fun fact that I just mentioned about Nvidia this year is absolutely true. How is this possible, you ask? Sounds like Enron, oops, didn't mean to say that out loud. It's been a wild year in the stock market. We're all enjoying our gains, and everyone is experiencing euphoria. But know that good things don't always last forever. You need to have a backup plan, my squirrel friends, so you don't get your nuts roasted. Let me say that again in case you didn't hear me the first time. Have a backup plan, so don't get your nuts freaking blowtorched. Now that we got that beautiful analogy out of the way, let's talk about Nvidia stock, also known as ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia is the pioneer of GPU accelerated computing. They specialize in products and platforms for the large growing markets of gaming, professional visualization, data center, and automotive. Their creations are loved by the most demanding computer users in the world, which include gamers, designers, and scientists. Sentiment around Nvidia tends to be bullish, largely driven by the AI technology boom. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, has spoken positively about demand, which has historically elevated the stock price. However, concerns about the CEO selling shares and the broader market's reaction to Federal Reserve decisions have introduced elements of caution. Nvidia's stock has been trading at what some might consider a high forward PE ratio. Yet when compared to its growth forecasts, analysts like those from Melius Research see significant upside potential, with price targets indicating a considerable increase from current levels. The forward PEG ratio suggests that, despite the high PE, Nvidia might still be undervalued considering its growth prospects. Would I recommend NVDA stock? Is Canada cold? Yay, that's a definite yes from me, dog. So the moment we've all been waiting for, haha, bastards. Now it's time for the Stock Squirrel's final nut rating. How many nuts would I rate Nvidia stock on the Nasdaq index? Let's hear the drum roll. Let's get ready to rumble. I give Nvidia stock 5 out of 5 nuts. I mean 162% in 1 year? That's some serious appreciation. How would I say no to that? But let's be logical here, squirrels. 162% in 1 year is not normal. Although I think Nvidia stock is fantastic, like Wu-Tang said, you need to proceed with caution. Oh, you thought the squirrel didn't know about the 36 chambers? You thought wrong. I'm a 90s squirrel. In all seriousness, Nvidia is a fantastic company with some incredible stock movement. But please just be careful. If you own the stock alone, you might want to lock in some profits. You don't want to get your nuts burned. And for those of you that own the leveraged version of Nvidia, such as NVDL, you guys have some massive grapefruits. Good luck with that. I'll be selling mine this afternoon. Haha, just kidding. I'll be sticking with my Nvidia allocation in QQQM and VOO. Slow and steady wins the race. This squirrel likes to sleep good at night. Well, that's it, my squirrel squad. I've had enough fun for today. You can only take so many bad jokes before you're like, F this squirrel. Thank you for joining me for another episode of The Nut House. And remember, my squirrel friends, the secret to squirrel success. Never stop gathering your nuts. The Stock Squirrel is signing off. We'll see you next time. Have an amazing day. Lastly, what are your favorite stocks? Are you invested in Nvidia? Comment down below. Thank you for listening. It's been wonderful sipping coffee, hanging out, petting my dog, getting ready for Halloween, telling bad jokes, and talking stocks with my favorite Squirrel subscribers. Please like and subscribe to me on YouTube. My family and I would greatly appreciate it. It puts us on the YouTube algorithm so more families can learn about finance and investing. If you want to sign up for WeBull, which is hands down the best stockbroker in my opinion, you can do it through my YouTube links tab, inside the video description, or in the comments section. You'll also get 5 free stocks for doing so. If any of the information provided to you today was helpful, feel free to send this hard-working squirrel a YouTube channel donation. You can find my channel donation link in the video description and also in my YouTube links tab. Any donation, no matter how small, is greatly appreciated. It goes towards my stock research and helps me to continue bringing you free content on this channel. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, X, and Instagram if you want to see a financially savvy fat squirrel in action. You'll learn plenty of great things and also witness the occasional shitpost. Gotta keep it fun, you know? Also, please understand that I am not giving investment, financial, or legal advice. You, the listener, are responsible for your own actions. I am only here to provide education. Don't be a Captain Skinny Dick and blow up your stock account. Thank you.